Happy Saturday. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about aesthetics. Have you ever wanted to customize your Jeep and just making it more your own? A little bit of upgrading it from stock, the stock coloring, an aesthetic look on a bumper or anything? Well, today, I've got 3 products that I'm going to install. They're all Jeep badging and Gladiator badging. I'm gonna replace them from that stock gray color that comes on the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon and JL Rubicon, and I'm gonna replace it with a green. Stay tuned. So let me show you everything that comes with this kit. This is the Mopar officially licensed Reflective Concepts sticker kit for Jeep Wrangler and Jeep Gladiator. We're gonna be doing 3 separate sticker installs. Number 1, we're gonna be working with this on the tailgate, and this is that large tailgate lettering. It just simply peels off the back, overlays onto the badging, and then you peel the front off and then press it down. These 4 stickers for the Jeep tailgate. Then we'll move to either the left or right side, and we will do the Jeep badging in the lower section just in front of the driver and passenger side doors with the Gladiator badging. Now, these go directly over the badging letters, and this Gladiator sticker goes directly over the stock Gladiator sticker that's there. So you don't even have to really measure this out and get it 100% super accurate because you already have that template there. This is a very simple kit, pretty easy to install. Now, as I mentioned, we got 1, 2, and 3, and the package actually came with an extra Gladiator sticker. We technically have 3 Gladiator stickers, 3 Jeeps, and we're gonna follow the instructions just as they printed off. I think I paid right around 40 bucks for this sticker kit. Now, all this comes separate, but all of it together was right around 40 bucks. I don't really remember, but it's relatively inexpensive. If you were to replace the badging itself and get one of those dipped color matching plastics, those can run you a lot of money. I think the back is about 200 bucks, and then each one of these is like 100 bucks. So you're looking at about 400 bucks to replace the dip plastic badging. And it's gonna look really good and match that green accent color that we got going for the Jack Monkey. So stay tuned. We're gonna move right over to the tailgate and we're gonna start installing this kit. So here we've got the Jeep badging. We're just gonna place each sticker over top each letter, and we're gonna make it happen. Let's do it. I've got my alcohol wipe right here. Just gonna make it real quick. We're not even gonna unfold it. Okay, just clean it off. I'm actually gonna save this because it's actually pretty wet. So let me get a towel. And we'll start with the J. All right, now I'm not gonna grab any other tools. I'm just gonna try to peel this off. That's fine. Now we're gonna peel it off. Okay, and that's it. So now we do the rest. So when I first peeled that off, the J was actually sticking to the backing. So I had to kind of peel that to make sure it sticks to this. So just be aware of that. You can't just peel this and then be like, oh wait. You want to make sure that the J or the letters stay to this clear side so that you can line them up and put them in the right spot. So Next, we'll do an E. And there we go. Boom. Green badging on the bed of the Gladiator. So let's move around to the side and I'll show you how to do each side. Quick. Go around, wet the area down. It is windy, so that should dry pretty quickly. Just go right over that Gladiator sticker. And yeah, that's drying up pretty fast, but we'll go ahead and wipe with the shop rag just to make sure that it's all clean, ready to go. Now, before I even started this, I went ahead and sprayed each section down with some soap, really some Dawn dish soap and water, and let it dry. And it's been sitting out here, so I think we're good. But now we'll go ahead and install the Jeep, and then we'll go ahead and install the Gladiator. All right, I'll put the J on first. One. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and install this Gladiator. This literally just goes right over top of this sticker. I was gonna take it off, but we'll make it easy. And we got some shadowing, but that doesn't actually look bad. Now, if you had the time to do it, you could work the shadowing into all the letters, but you know, I'm not that particular. And plus, when you're customizing your Jeep, little flaws here and there is really it just makes it more for you. So I wouldn't call these flaws, rather than maybe a little bit of shadowing that just nobody else is ever gonna have. So that's how you do this side. Let's move around to the next. So now we're on this side. Got a little performance parts badge. That is my lift. Shouldn't be an issue, but generally it's the same thing. We'll start with the J, EEP, then we'll do the Gladiator. But first, we'll use the remainder of our alcohol wipe. Got some air bubbles, we'll press those out, okay? Too easy, but that was a very simple installation. As we go around, we'll take a look at it, but that's both sides plus the tailgate. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have the Reflective Concept Jeep vinyl sticker badging overlays. You saw how simple that was, a little bit of time. I'm not that particular about getting it 100% straight because it is just an overlay. You can still see the red trim around each of the Jeep badging. The Gladiator, that is pretty awesome that it goes on all by itself. I think that's a neat feature that it's the exact same size so that you can create some shadowing with that black Gladiator sticker on the background, which we have a little bit of. That's all I got for you today. I'll leave a link somewhere on this screen to another video that has the full walk around of the Jack Monkey Jeep. And if you like this content, as always, give me a like and a subscribe. Helps the channel out. Hey, get out, enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you next time on Jack Monkey Jeep. Now, let's talk about comments. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. I'll leave a video. Fuck, that sucks.